guys, welcome back to my channel for a CVS ad preview. We normally get the new ad in our app early Thursday morning, but I received the paper version in the mail. I'm sure so many people received this and some did not, so I decided to share mine in case you don't have it and you want to watch this video. And if you also received yours and you also want to watch this video, you're welcome as well. Thanks for joining me. I saw the Epic Beauty Sale ad in my email, but seeing it on this paper version makes more sense. That means you get a $10 off for spending $25 on beauty or personal care items. On the first page, we have the Maybelline Sky High Mascara on sale for $9.99, and when you buy one, you get $5 back. And 30 ounces Nivea body wash on sale for $8.99, and when you buy one, you get $4 back. The next one is the 8.4 ounce Nivea lotion on sale for $4.99. Buy one, get three back. Or you can pick up the 5 ounce Eucerin lotion on sale for $4.99. Buy one, get $3 back. And if you have the $2 paper coupon, that will make it free. Select Colgate toothpaste will be on sale for $3.99. Buy two, get $3 back, and we'll receive a 4 off 2-digit coupon, which will make both toothpaste just 99 cents or 49 cents each. On the second page, we have another Maybelline deal, and this will exclude the Sky High Mascara, and this deal will be spend 20, get $8 back. On the same page, we have spend 20, get $7 back on any L'Oreal Cosmetics, and we'll receive a $3 digital coupon. If you're going to do this deal, normally when we get the digital coupons for the L'Oreal Cosmetics, sometimes we have one on coupons.com, so make sure you're checking on Sunday to help out with the deal. On the third page, we have a spend 15, get $3 back on CVS Beauty, 1+ other cosmetic brushes or paparazzi nails. And we also have a buy 3, get $10 back on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and there will be a digital coupon. We have a spend 20, get $8 back on Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools. And we also have a spend 20, get $8 back on Almay Cosmetics or Makeup Remover. Finishing up this page, we have a spend 12, get $6 back on any Physician Formula Cosmetics. Spend 15, get 5 back on any Sally Hansen Cosmetics. Georgina Cosmetics will be another good one this week. It's on the deal of buy 3, get 10 back, and we'll receive a 3 off 2-digit coupon. And the last one on this page will be on Adele False Lashes. They're on the deal of buy 2, get 5 back. If you still have the $4.99 lashes, that will be a good deal. Pick up 2, pay $9.98 and get $5 back, making both just $4.98. And this deal is included in the Epic Beauty Sale. We have a Legio Cosmetics on spend 12, get $4 back, and the Kiss eyelashes or artificial nails on spend 15, get 6 back. The Eco Tools or Real Technique brushes or sponges on spend 15, get 10 back. Normally we have this deal on spend 20, get 10. If you can find any item priced at $14.99, that will make it just $4.99 after the $10 extra care box. This next deal will be a very good deal because we have the Activate reward and some Ibotta rebates, and that's the spend 25, get $10 back on Aveeno facial care, and we will also receive some digital coupon on Sunday. Check your Ibotta. We have a $5 back for the facial moisturizer, and for the cleanser we have a $3 back. And if you can find these two items, they will total $24.98. And we have Activate reward for $5 back for spending 20. And if you also have a 5 off 20 CRT, that will make this deal a moneymaker. Next deal will be on Dove body wash on sale for $9.99. And we will receive the 6 off 2 digital coupon. And when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Any OGX, Maui or Neutrogena hair care will be on sale for $6.99. And when you buy one, you get $2 back. The next one will be on Cetaphil. They're on sale for buy one, get one 40% off. And when you buy 2, you get $4 back. If you need this product, check last week's savings search. There are some $3 coupons depending on the products you need. The next one is on L'Oreal Age Perfect or Revitalift facial care. They're on buy one, get 5 back, and will receive a $5 digital coupon. Remember in the beginning of this video, we saw a Eucerin deal. This one is spend 20, get $10 back, and this will be on facial cream and cleanser. The next one is on Garnier Nutrice hair color. They're on buy 2, get 5 back, and also the Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. They're on buy 2, get $4 back. All Tresemme hair care will be on sale for 15% off, and will receive the 4 off 2 digital coupon in case you need them. and they're also part of the Epic Beauty sale. For the L'Oreal or Vive, they're on sale for 2 for 10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 extra care box back. We have the L'Oreal hair color at buy 2 get 5 back, and also the L'Oreal Ever Hair Care at buy 2 get 5 back. We have another Colgate deal, and that will be on the toothbrush and mouthwash. They on spend 15 get 5 back and will receive a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and a third Colgate deal on buy 2 get 4 back. These are all 3 different deals, so if your store is not tagged, make sure you're checking your app or you're checking online to make sure you're picking the right product. The next one will be on Dove deodorant or dry spray. They on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and will receive a 4 off 2 digital coupon, but no extra care box. And we have a Sensodyne deal, buy 1 get $3 back. And the last deal on this page will be the buy 2 get 5 back on any Lumen whole body deodorants. We have Gillette or Venus razor or cartridge on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, but no extra care box. And for Old Spice or Secret deodorants, they on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, no extra care box back, but will also receive some digital coupons. Next one will be on Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrushes. They on sale for $3.99 and will receive a 3 off 2 digital coupon and buy 2 get $4 extra care box back. The 26.2 ounce Aussie pumps will be on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. We currently have a 3 off 2 Aussie hair care digital coupon, but that will expire on Saturday. Hopefully they give us another one. Next to Aussie hair care, we have the Pantene shampoo or conditioner. That's the 10.4 to 12.6 ounces. They will be on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Refresh eye drops will be on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off with a $5 digital coupon, and spend 12 get 3 back on CVS Health First Aid. And the next page will be on vitamins. They're on buy 1 get 1 free, and the ad says brands cannot be combined. We also have the Tylenol at buy 2 get 5 back, and 60 count CVS Health Magnesium on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you get $5 back. For baby deals, we have the Pampers Easy Up Ninjamas, Splashers or Swaddlers on sale for 2 for $22, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. And we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. The boxed Huggy diapers will be on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $10 back. The last baby deal on this ad will be the buy 2 get 5 back, and that includes Dove Kids, Mucinex, Nyquil Kids, Aquaphor and Eucerin, and so many other products. And for feminine care, we have spent 15 get 5 back on any CVS Health Feminine Care. Tampax will be on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and CVS Health Cleansing Wipes 192 counts will be on sale for $9.99. When you buy 1, you get $5 back, and that will make it just $4.99. And we also have a spend 30 get $10 back on Always Discreet underwears and pad value packs, and there will be a $4 digital coupon. The last one on this page will be on Poise or Depend, and they on spend 40 get $10 back and will receive a $3 digital coupon. For Tide and Downy, they will be on sale for 2 for $24.98, no extra care box back. The next one will be on Scott Bar tissue or paper towel. They will be on sale for $9.99, and when you spend $20, you get $5 back. And we currently have a $1 digital coupon for each one. We have the Ben & Jerry ice cream on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. And Kellogg's cereal will be on sale for $2.49. We currently have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupon. We are finally at the last page. The 6-pack Fiji water or Smart water will be on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 1, you get $1 extra care box back. For the Honey Nut Cheerios, they will be on sale for $3.49. Buy 1 get $1 back. The next one will be on the Gillette or Venus disposable razor 3 to 4 counts. They're on sale for $6.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, and buy 1 get $3 back. That's a very good deal. That will end up making it just 99 cents. The next one will be on the McCafe coffee, the 10 count K-Cups. They're on sale for $5.99, and buy 1 get $1 extra care box. 9-pack Total Home Bar tissue or paper towel will be on sale for $8.99. Buy 1 get $4 back. The next one will be on Gain laundry products. They will be on sale for $9.99, and they on spend 30 get $10 back, and will receive some $3 digital coupons. The next one will be on Purex. They're on sale for $9.99 and buy two get $5 back. If you need some Advil, the 24 counts will be on sale for $4.29 and you buy one, you get $1 back. I hope this video is somehow helpful. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for watching and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.